from the Aishin Broadcast Studio, it's the BodyShop Business Podcast.
Hey there, it's Jason Stahl with another episode of BodyShop Business, the podcast. And today, my special guest is Mike Cohen, who is the private label brand manager for LKQ Refinish. Welcome, Mike.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. And so there's been some pretty big news regarding LKQ Corporation over the last couple of years, which I'm sure everyone has taken notice of. First, in February 2023, it was announced that LKQ had acquired Uniselect. And then in June 2024, LKQ announced that the LKQ PBE and FinishMaster businesses would be merging under one umbrella called LKQ Refinish. So Mike, talk to me a little bit about the significance of that, the synergies between the two companies, and the benefits to the customer from a service standpoint.
Yeah, so, you take LKQ, who had a legacy of 25 amazing years in the industry prior to this acquisition, combining with the force of FinishMaster that had over 55 years of history in the industry. It really provided a lot of synergies for two companies that specialized in the exact same thing to come together and really become the industry leaders from coast to coast. We had some really, really solid overlaps in territory and areas where we both provided services, but there were also some blank gaps throughout the map where either FinishMaster conducted business or LKQ conducted business and FinishMaster didn't. So through this acquisition of FinishMaster by LKQ, culminated in an opportunity to combine both of our sales forces into one unified sales force with a specialized focus on the PBE refinish distribution side of things, which is where the LKQ Refinish now division of LKQ has been born from, where we have an entire sales force focused on all of your PBE needs. When people think LKQ, they think parts, they think salvage, but when they think LKQ Refinish, we want the end customer to really look at that as their focused, specialized partner in all their PBE paint and product needs for their body shop on a daily basis.
So Mike, let's talk about another major announcement that happened just last month. The combining of two industry-leading legacy brands, Keystone Platinum Refinish and FinishMaster Smart Products, into a new line called FinishMaster by LKQ. Talk to me a little bit about the significance of that and how the history and experience of both companies will play a part in putting the new brand in the best position moving forward.
Yeah, so prior to acquisition, we both had our own exclusive brands of product, right? LKQ had their Platinum Refinish Series brand of products. And FinishMaster, we had the Smart brand of refinishing products, both with an incredible legacy and history in the industry, both widely recognized, accepted, and asked for by name on a daily basis. But now having and utilizing one combined sales force, trying to mesh our targets as one together as one company under the LKQ Refinish banner.
Presented from the Aishin Broadcast Studio at Babcock's Media.
The move to merge these two brands together, which both kind of played in the exact same spaces, where we've overlapped, we've been able to condense these part numbers down to where instead of having duplicates and triplicates in certain categories, we now have one mainline offering. The good thing about this merging of these two brands is all of the legacy Keystone Platinum Refinish brand product users, they're going to continue to get the same great products they've always gotten. And the legacy Smart brand customers who've always bought, whether it's Smart Clear, Smart Primer, adhesives, so on and so forth, they're still going to get the exact same product they've become accustomed to, but they're coming together under a brand new branding with all brand new labeling. The nice thing about combining this brand into one massive power brand, these exclusive brands merging together brings premium quality and great price into a nationally recognized brand available coast to coast. Now, from this point forward, going to be known as FinishMaster by LKQ. We're really super excited to get this out there into the field, get the new branding out there. Again, same great products they've become accustomed to with very familiar part numbers to those end users. So whether they were a Platinum Refinish user or a Smart user, their part numbers are going to be super, super similar with a prefix of FMB for FinishMaster brand.
Wow, Mike, I love that term, power brand. I mean, it sounds like you've got two heavyweights here, two great sales forces, great products combining. This sounds like a win for the entire industry.
Yeah, it's really going to highlight our ability to provide customer service from coast to coast, right? And give all of our reps in the field and our customers a unified feel and look for what they're looking for out of us as their partner in the space.
So, Mike, how do you see the new FinishMaster by LKQ branding rolling out in the future?
Yeah, so the way we're going through this, we're going through it categorically. And we've already launched and released our wipe category, and we're methodically going through the catalog as we work with our manufacturers to get all the rebranding completed. And as the rebranding is completed and original legacy inventory is depleted down, we're able to move into the new FinishMaster branding. So starting with our wipes category, moving on into our masking paper and plastic category, that's coming here in the first part of December, moving into our solvents, clears, primers, and throughout the rest of the brand. It's all going to be done categorically as our manufacturers and vendor partners help us get to that point and to where we can wind down the original brand of inventory and move into this new exciting FinishMaster by LKQ brand.
Great. Well, Mike, I can't thank you enough for your time today. Thanks for explaining these big news announcements for the last couple of years. LKQ, FinishMaster, the industry's been watching, and the industry will continue to watch, and this sounds like a great thing. So thanks again for your time.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in to BodyShop Business, the podcast. Check out bodyshopbusiness.com for more podcasts.